If you're still riding inner tubes, you're throwing away 4 watts of free speed and risking your ride on a 3 mm piece of glass. Looking at the bicycle rolling resistance data, removing the butyl tube entirely eliminates casing friction. This drops your CRR, saving 2 to 4 watts per tire. You also instantly drop up to 100 grams of rotational weight and completely banish pinch flats. But this only works if set up perfectly. Don't cheap out here. Buy proper stands tape and muck off valves. Crucially, clean your rim bed with isopropyl alcohol first. Most people skip this step, and their tape peels immediately. When taping, start opposite the valve and overlap by 10 centimeters. Pull it painfully tight and press it deep into the channel with your thumb to eliminate air bubbles. Poke a tiny hole, push the valve through, and lock it down hard. Mounting the tire is where the real frustration happens. Always use soapy water on the tire bead so it snaps into place. If your standard floor pump fails, don't panic. Just grab a $40 Milk It booster to blast it on. In our 2026 Sealant Showdown, stands race at $25 seals fastest, but dries in 2 months. Orange Seal Endurance lasts 5 months, but for massive 6 mm punctures, the $30 Silka Ultimate with carbon fiber is totally unmatched. Maintenance is the biggest trap for beginners. Sealant isn't set and forget. Shake your wheel every 2 months. If you don't hear sloshing, inject 20 milliliters through the valve core. In hot climates, you need to check this monthly. Dealing with a slow leak, it's almost always a loose valve core or a badly seated bead. If your tire burps air during hard cornering, your pressure is too low. Bump it up 5 psi immediately to lock that bead. The math is undeniable. Setup costs $50 upfront. A single roadside flat costs $10 and 20 minutes of misery. Prevent just 4 flats, and this completely pays for itself. Seal it up and ride puncture-free.